Good evening, this is Eric Holodny with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Wednesday, April 13th. The Dow today finished ahead 7.5 points, closing at 12,271. The Nasdaq was up just shy of 17, closing around 2762. A little more active today. The market, I just looked right now, I had a hard time remembering. It was actually up 70 points in the Dow this morning. We sold off, we're down a little bit, and then came back. Very choppy, no real momentum. I think there seems to be still a lot of nervousness about the commodities, and as far as what's going to happen with the budget as well, a little nervousness there. But in the end, strong tech played out. I sort of said last night that with Apple specifically, as strong as it was, it sort of forebode that we weren't going to have a major sell-off certainly immediately. And I still maintain that. I think tomorrow there'll be a lot more choppiness. Nothing major either way. The market's going to wait for Google to come out in the afternoon. And also we're going to have an options expiration on Friday. So a few things to look at. Not a ton with the market closing sort of in the middle of a range today. And the news flow relatively slow as we await earnings season, which will start in earnest certainly next week. Although a couple out today certainly as well. NFLX, AAPL, BIIB, Lulu, SODA, and MA all closed on or near their highs today. SLGN and GRM closed near their highs on the SLGN for Graham deal. And the Chinese ADRs were up on a brokerage upgrade, closing on or near highs, Sina, Baidu, and Yoku. On the negative side, RIG closed near a low. UFPI had terrible earnings out after the bell today. CPWR had poor earnings. And the operations chief of FSLR is leaving. Earnings calendar in the morning includes CBSH, CHKP, FCS, HAS, PGR, and SVU. After the bell tomorrow, CBK, CBST, CB things here out. The aforementioned Google, GOOG, and JB Hunt, JBHT. With that, I wish all of you a good night and good luck trading tomorrow.